You hear that ticking? It's the sound of your YouTube channel waiting to explode in popularity, and the countdown starts now. Imagine 30 days from today. You're not just a YouTuber, you're a YouTube sensation. Subscribers skyrocketing. Views off the charts. Revenue, let's just say it's more than pocket change. Week 1, laying the foundation. Finding your niche. Your niche isn't just a category, it's your identity on YouTube. Spend the first 2 days deep diving into what you love and what you're good at. Do market research, look at trends, and identify gaps that you can fill. Don't rush this process. Your niche will dictate your content, your target audience, and even your branding. Understanding your target audience. Days 3 and 4 should be about understanding your audience. Create audience personas, delve into their pain points, and figure out how your content can solve their problems. This is where you can use tools like Google Trends or even Twitter Trends to understand what your target audience is currently interested in. Crafting your channel's mission statement. By day 5, you should have enough information to craft a mission statement for your channel. This statement should encapsulate what your channel will offer to the viewers and why they should stick around. Week 2, the content machine. Prepping and producing. Start week 2 by creating a detailed content calendar. For each day, jot down the video title. Also, create a backlog of evergreen content that you can release on days when you can't produce new content. The importance of pre-production. Don't underestimate the power of pre-production. Spend days 8 to 10 preparing scripts, sourcing props, and even doing a few test shoots. The more prepared you are, the smoother the actual shooting will go. Shooting and editing. Days 11 to 14 should be your shooting days. Follow your script, but allow some room for spontaneity. Once the shooting is done, jump into editing. This is where you can add those special touches that make a video uniquely yours. Week 3, the soft launch. The soft launch. Days 15 and 16 should be your soft launch days. Publish 2 or 3 videos and closely monitor how they perform. Are they reaching the right audience? Are viewers engaging with the content? Engaging with your community? Days 17 to 19 should be focused on audience engagement. Reply to every comment, ask questions in your video to encourage more comments, and pay attention to the feedback. Revisiting SEO. Day 20 should be dedicated to SEO. Based on the initial response, tweak your keywords, titles, and descriptions. Remember, SEO is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. Week 4, the real deal. Full launch and future planning. If the soft launch was a test, week 4 is the real deal. Start by releasing a video that you think embodies your channel the best. Analyzing the data. Days 25 to 27 should be about diving deep into analytics. Look at not just the views, but also at the watch time, audience retention, and the engagement rate. These metrics will tell you a lot more about the health of your channel than just the view count. Future planning. Days 28 to 30 should be spent planning for the next month. You've got a month's worth of experience, data, and feedback. Use it to plan the next steps.